Hey, what's up everybody? Ben here from blogwithben.com, and today we're checking out a brand new pair of in-ear monitors, the CCZ Duet BC04 PRO. And believe it or not, I used to be a performing musician back in the day, and in-ear monitors were an important part of my live setup, helping me hear every detail of the mix clearly while staying in sync and protecting my hearing at the same time. And in this video, I'm going to unbox the CCZ Duets. We're going to take a closer look at the design and build quality, and I'll share my first impressions of the sound. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly in-ear monitor that delivers both power and clarity, stick around, this might be the one for you. And real quick, before we get started, if you get any value out of this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Helps me bring you more resources, and it keeps you up to date with all of the AI, web, and tech trends happening throughout the year. But either way, thank you so much for all your support. All right, with that being said, let's get started. So first, I want to thank CCZ for sending me these in-ear monitors. These are the CCZ Duet model BC04 PRO, and they only cost around $29, which is kind of insane considering the sound quality you get, and we'll go over that in just a sec. But I'm new to CCZ and am a sucker for anything audio related, so I'm excited to see what these are all about. Okay, out of the box, it looks like we get the earphones first, and they seem to have a nice acoustic structure with a zinc alloy cover. And then let's take a closer look, and they are super lightweight. They feel well made, fit nicely in the palm of my hand, so they're going to travel well and they're not going to take up too much space. And some of the standout features include they are water resistant, have a hybrid driver setup with a combination of a dynamic driver, or DD, for deep bass, and a balanced armature, BA, for crisp highs, which will give you a well-balanced sound signature. Each monitor also has a gel tip for comfort, and then those two holes in the side is where you'll attach the cable, which we'll do in just a bit. And I also love the see-through backs. It gives it a modern look, and you can see the inner workings of the monitor and drivers. Pretty cool. Okay, next let's see what else is in the box. And you'll have to remove that plastic case that the monitors came in, and there should be a few plastic bags there. One holds the cable, and let me untangle it really quick. There we go. So this detachable braided cable is designed for durability, flexibility, and a secure fit with the in-ear monitors. It features gold-plated connectors with left and right markings, so you know which side to plug into and which ear to wear them on. And then the preformed ear hooks with memory wire provide a comfortable and secure fit over your ears, ensuring stability during extended listening sessions or if you're performing on stage or during a gig. These ear hooks keep the earphones in place. Then on the other end, the right-angled 3.5mm jack offers a convenient connection to portable audio devices, reducing wear and tear over time. And this cable feels like it's protected with some sort of latex that prevents it from tangling. It's pretty cool. Okay, back to the box. There was another small plastic bag in there, and it looks like we get some replacement gel tips for the earbuds. Let me space these out so you can get a better look at them. There we go. And you can use these as backups, or if you feel like you need a smaller gel tip to fit your ear whenever you try them on, you have a smaller one right here. Okay, the last thing in the box is the CCZ user guide. Just a lot of good info in here, so check it out whenever you have some extra time. All right, that's everything that comes in the box. Again, here are some of the product specs for you to take a closer look at. And my first impression is that these are very well made, they look professional, and they're a bargain at only $29. Next, let's go over how to connect the cable and wear these in-ear monitors so we can check out the sound quality. Okay, first I recommend taking a look at the user guide. They have some great illustrations that show you how to connect the cable, and you'll want to pay attention to the L and R on each cable to determine which one is for the left and right ear, as well as which monitor to plug into. Now, the monitors aren't labeled, so you'll need to go by shape and how they look here in the user guide. As you can see, this one will line up with the right side of the cable. And then connecting the cable is pretty straightforward. Find the one that has the letter R on it, and it's kind of hard to see, but if I bring it up close to the camera, you could see the letter R there on the cable. This means it'll plug into the monitor meant for the right ear. And again, it's pretty straightforward from here. Simply line up the two connectors with the holes and insert them like so. And make sure to give it a good push to ensure the connection is secure. And you'll want to make sure you don't see any of the gold plugs and that the connector is flush with the monitor. This means the connection is secure. Okay, then do the same thing for the left side. Again, it'll be marked with the letter L for the left ear. And just like before, plug the connectors into the holes on the monitor, and remember, be sure to give it a good push to make sure it's properly connected. Okay, our two in-ear monitors are ready to be worn, and on that note, let me show you how to wear them on your ears. So when I wear my in-ear monitors, I like to wear the cable on my back so that I can hang the earbuds around my neck. I only do this when I'm performing and plugging these into a wireless monitoring system, just FYI. So to wear them, simply wrap the preformed ear hook around your ear and gently place the earbud in your ear. And I'm not just saying this, these are up there with some of the most comfortable in-ear monitors that I've ever worn, and for only $29, that's a really good deal. Now, you obviously can't hear the sound quality from this video, but I was also really impressed with the overall audio that these produced. The CCZ Duet BC04 PRO delivers an impressively well-balanced sound signature thanks to its hybrid driver setup. And hopefully you found this video helpful. I'm a huge fan of CCZ Duet now, and if you want to pick up your own pair for yourself, visit the link in the video description below. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these two videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.